Good to have you here.
Thank you for having me.
And, forgive me if the podcast doesn't go as you envisioned it.
No, no, it's fine. We're here
Because
to गप्पे मारना है.
हाँ इसीलिए मैं चाह रही थी कि we know each other well enough, so I just want to have a conversation with you.
Fantastic.
You're an interesting guy. Everybody wants to know a lot about you. So, you qualified as a doctor
Yes.
and then became a content creator.
Yes.
So, how come?
Oh my God, I don't even know where to start. Just to clarify, like, because a lot of people hate on me. They're like, "Oh, nahi, aapne, you're probably not good at it." I was like, no, I was very good at it. I was very, I was trained as an emergency medical professional. I used to work in the emergency department. I had a great job. My job was basically I used to provide emergency medical skills to Pakistanis, and I used to collaborate with people in Harvard, UPenn, and I used to do that over here. That was my job. But content भी side by side चलता था. And then
किस तरह का content होता था उसमें?
mainly travel था. Travel था, but there was a lot of social commentary.
Okay.
And मेरा page was just basically मैंने catharsis में बनाया था. मैंने कोई plan नहीं था content
ऐसे
creator
ही
बनने
होता
का.
है, हाँ,
बस
ऐसे ही होता है.
मैंने कहा बस एक page था where I had a lot of thoughts. And I guess Pakistan as a country, we are basically between India and Afghanistan and Iran. So our identity, we're just exploring it all the time. तो मैं बस एक question पूछता रहता था and लोग would relate to it. अब वैसे ही बढ़ता बढ़ता गया. फिर एक point आया where I started getting paid collaborations. And then a point आया where I looked at my spreadsheet and I was like, oh my God, what am I doing?
Not making much money as a doctor.
I'm not making that much. And I was like, yeah, I don't even have one foot in it. And I guess I just then started having bigger dreams because as a doctor जब होते हो तो आपका जो ख्वाब होता है वो आपके अस्पताल के हदूद तक ही होता है और फिर वो एक इम्तिहान से दूसरे इम्तिहान तक बस ख्वाब होता है. But then as a creator, I started seeing, oh, my dreams were very big. And I was like, I can do this. Because मेरा हमेशा दिमाग में था कि there was no creator जिसको मैं देखता था कि मुझे जो पाकिस्तानियों को दिखाए कि यार दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है. And I was like, I would like to do that. मैं उसके लिए मगर पैसे चाहिए होते हैं. But I was like, अगर मैं creator बनूंगा, I can do this. Like, go to places like Panama, go to Costa Rica and show Pakistanis, hey, you too can do this.
Right.
So then like one fine day, I think मेरे दिमाग में idea brew कर रहा था. I brought it up with my parents initially. They were not happy.
Of course.
And
your entire family comprises of medical.
Everyone's a doctor. we are a cliche desi family.
Okay.
Even my mom is doctor adjacent. She teaches kids with special needs.
Okay.
तो ये बहुत बड़ा एक पाप था.
Okay.
And I'm the eldest. So I'm the eldest son. तो they're like,
Expectations तो होते हैं.
she's like, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? हम लोगों को क्या बताएंगे? ये क्या हो गया? And everything. And I guess one day I took them out for dinner. I took them out to a very nice dinner. And
They must have been suspicious.
they were very suspicious. And I was like, I'll just take them. I was talking to them, and my dad wasn't happy. My mom was like, क्या बकवास यार, mood खराब कर दिया. But my way was I'm showing them कि I can afford this. This is what I'm getting just right now, and I want to show you. I was like, जो order करना है करें. And I think जब bill देने का time आया, then जो चेक था उसके अंदर किसी ने मैसेज लिखा. उसने कहा, Mr. Baghi, keep up the great work. The meal is on us today.
What?
And someone just was walking by, and he just gave me a thumbs up. I still don't know who it is. If you are watching this, just let me know who it was.
Yeah, let me know as well.
Yeah.
I could do with someone paying for my needs.
Yeah. And it happened in front of my parents, and then they looked at each other like, "अच्छा, कुछ कर ही रहा होगा. अगर किसी ने इसका खाना दिया है, मेडिसिन में तो चाय किसी ने नहीं पिलाई इसे आज तक."
I thought you शुरू किया था. Did you start traveling across Pakistan and creating content, or did you just jump on the bandwagon and decide to travel?
Good question. Because when I was in medicine, थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं कर रहा था, but it was mostly Pakistan था. And not even just Pakistan, it was mostly just कराची के हुदूद में रहता था. Because उस वक्त हाथ में भी इतने नहीं थे.
कराची भी बहुत बड़ा है.
बहुत बड़ा है. तो कराची में भी आपको बहुत कहानियां मिल जाती हैं. And I guess because एक थोड़ी reputation बन गई थी, तो people would even just contact me directly. They're like, oh, this is an interesting thing. You should go cover this. I was like, get me in touch with them. तो उसी तरह से मैं करता रहा. मेडिसिन के अंदर ये था, ड्यूरिंग माय लास्ट ईयर बिफोर आई वाज रिजाइनिंग, आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग अ बिट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल, स्टार्टेड डैबलिंग माय फीट इन दैट. एंड देन फिर मेरे दिमाग में बार-बार था, आई वाज लाइक, आई नीड टू डू बिगर ट्रिप्स. देयर इज दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है. सो या दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड.
Okay, so tell me, as a content creator,
Yeah.
don't you have to be a journalist or a writer,
Yeah.
professional writer,
Yeah.
in order to create the kind of content that you do?
Not necessarily, but I have been published also in a lot of
Okay,
international
that's what I
publications.
wondered. Yeah.
So like there's half of the photojournalist and journalist community would not be happy if I said it that okay I am one because उन्होंने पढ़ा है उसके लिए मैं तो आ गया but I have been published in places like the BBC and I've written for Vice, The Guardian, Dawn, so I do would count myself under that umbrella.
Right.
And I'm really honored that they include me over there to tell those stories.
So now, supposing you hadn't become Mr. Paki. First of all, what is Mr. Paki? Where did the name come from?
It was just one day random because my parents didn't make much effort to give me a creative name.
Bilal is not a creative name.
I mean, it's a lovely name. It's a beautiful name, but every class has 5 Bilals.
Right, that's true.
So, and I have Bilal Hassan. I have like two first names. So I was like, if someone looks up a Bilal Hassan, I was like, they'll find 1,000 Bilal Hassans. It's a very common name. In fact, even with all three of my siblings, we have very generic name, Bilal, Mariam, Ibrahim. So like Ibrahim is a bit rare, but Bilal, Mariam all the time. So I was like, I need something unique. I need to give it, some way they remember me. So I was like, Mr. Pakistan would be very lame. So I was like, okay, Mr. just usko join karke
Yeah, no, it's a very nice.
So कई दफा होता है people don't know my name, but they know my handle. ठीक है. Then Mr. Paki, like, मैंने कहा respond to it. It's fine.
So if you were not Mr. Paki,
Yeah.
and you were not practicing medicine,
Oh my God.
what would you be doing?
What would I be doing? I think about, but I would probably pursue a major in like political science or something.
Okay.
I would do that
So
because
that's an area of your interest.
it is an area and it is still somewhere there at the back of my head. मैंने कहा कि okay, one day if I made enough money and I get bored of
Would you
content,
become a politician?
not politician, but probably go into diplomacy or something. Yeah, because again, I am one of those people who chose to stay in Pakistan. My entire family left.
Right.
I was always the reason also why I came into content was because there was always this thing in me which I wanted to stay here. Medicine जो था ना was pushing me, Bilal, you have to get out one way or the other. Because एक point तक आपकी एक दीवार आ जाती है एंड माय सिस्टर लेफ्ट माय ब्रदर लेफ्ट सो आई वाज लाइक एंड मेरे स्टेप्स सारे इम्तिहान हुए विद सो आई वाज लिटरली जस्ट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ जस्ट मेकिंग दैट मूव बट मेरा दिल नहीं मान रहा था आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू स्टे हियर एंड कंटेंट गिव्स मी दैट फाइनेंशियल एबिलिटी एंड दैट स्टेबिलिटी टू स्टे हियर एंड वर्क हियर एंड डू समथिंग so yeah, that is something which I would do.
Okay, so one of the things that people often ask
Yeah.
of content creators is that how do you separate the social
Oh my God, yeah.
commentary from the marketing content that you make in order to make money? Because you have to
Of
make
course
money
I
if you're going to continue
दुकान
to
तो
do
चलनी
this.
है, ठीक है.
So nobody should blame you for that. But how do you separate that? Because you do a lot of social commentary as well.
I do. It is a struggle. To be honest, some brands are great where they understand कि बिलाल की मिस्टर पाकी की ये voice है and they will tell you that they're like बिलाल हमें full branded नहीं चाहिए हमें आपका ही voice चाहिए to do this and there have been some great जिनके साथ brands I have worked with but कुछ जो होते हैं बहुत
कहते हैं इस बारे में ना बात करो
कहेंगे हमें सटल चाहिए फिर एंड में आप उनको सटल करके दो कहोगे ब्रांड का है दिल वांट ब्रांड देन अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू देन ट्रीटेड लाइक अ चेक और फिर मेरे दिमाग में तो मैं कहा सही है इससे एक लॉस एंजलिस का टिकट आ जाएगा दिमाग बंद करके कर लो बस ठीक है दैट्स हाउ यू ट्रीट इट देन अनफॉर्चुनेटली या that's
Okay, so now when you first traveled, what was the first place that you went?
I went to Nepal. It was my first
Wow, okay.
Like self-funded trip and everything because Nepal is visa on arrival for
Yeah,
Pakistanis.
There are very few places.
Very
that are-
few, and people still ask me, they're like, "Is it true?" मैंने कहा टिकट बुक करो जहाज पे बैठ जाओ बाकी में there's nothing else to it.
5-6 जगह हैं जहाँ आपको वीजा ऑन अराइवल मिल
Yeah,
जाता है
yeah, पाँच
and Nepal is one of them.
lovely and budget wise भी currency similar है लोग बहुत प्यारे हैं खाना बहुत अच्छा है so that was my first experience एकदम से दुनिया देखने का yeah.
So, whenever I travel, I often consult you.
Yes, of course. With
Because I
travel
say,
buddies.
Bilal, I'm going to such and such a place, and have you been there? What should I do?
Yeah.
What should I eat?
Yeah.
Where should I go? And you give me such great advice, especially if I'm going for like 2-3 days,
Yeah.
that I'm able to use that information to the fullest. So, do you keep a diary?
I do.
You do? Okay, that's what I wanted.
Because
Because it's very difficult to remember.
no, it's very difficult to remember, and because I also have to remind myself, travel एक अपने लिए भी कर रहा हूँ, but my aim is also to make travel accessible for Pakistanis, because again we have a very weak passport, but I want to show people it is possible. तरीके हैं, and तमीज से अगर करोगे
हाँ,
तो
बदमाशी ना करो, वहाँ
बदमाशी ना
जाके-
करो, जाके होटल बुकिंग करो, रिटर्न टिकट तो बेसिक्स हैं.
Of course.
सो मगर लोगों को नहीं पता होता, वो जैसे अगर नेपाल भी जाएंगे या मालदीव टाइप जगह विच ऑन अराइवल पहुंच जाएंगे विदाउट रिटर्न, कह रहा ऑन अराइवल है. बिलाल भाई मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, दिखाओ भी तुम घर वापस जा रहे हो,
हाँ,
वो तुम्हें क्यों आने देंगे.
हाँ, वो पूछेंगे कि
Yeah,
you know, do you even have enough money to go back?
एग्जैक्टली ये. तो देन आई कीप लाइक मैं नोट्स रखता हूँ सारे, एंड आई ट्राई टू, कोई भी मुझसे पूछा बिलाल यहाँ का, मैं कहा सही है, नोट्स निकाल के ये भेज दिया आपको, जॉर्जिया की फाइल, टर्की की फाइल सारी.
So, how many countries have you been to?
40 exact.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many do you aim to do by the end of the year?
By the end 50. I'm aiming to get to 50.
Okay, another 10.
Another 10.
Not bad.
Yeah.
That's
So
good.
it,
So now, if I were to ask you,
Hmm.
all the countries that you've been,
Yeah.
are there any specific countries that have been your favorite?
Ooh.
And some stories related to why?
Oh my God. Okay, I'll tell you. You know, one country which I always say, which was my biggest surprise, and I was so like, I had such a good time. Was Trinidad and Tobago. It's in the Caribbean, tiny island. And it's very 50-50. It's like they're Caribbean people and it's also Indian. There's a lot of, it's like a mix.
Okay.
And I went right after my brother's wedding, which was very hectic. It was a big family wedding. So I went over there and I met local people. They were so friendly. The food was delicious and it's not touristy. But I had such a great time over there. I unexpectedly.
But how did you decide to go there? Did somebody recommend
It's
it?
visa on arrival. It's so
Might be the next place I go to.
So if you go to America, I would tell people combine these things. There's like Barbados is visa on arrival, Trinidad and Tobago. So I just took a flight from New York and went, and it's chill. They were even a bit surprised. Oh, you're here. I was like, yeah, just vacation.
So do you do your own research when you're traveling, or
yes.
you have help?
No. I do my own research because my mantra is के जो डेफिनेटिव इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी वो बॉर्डर पे पहुंच के मिलेगी.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा लिखा हुआ तो है, एंड आई वाज लाइक आई एम विलिंग टू टेक दैट रिस्क. मैंने कहा अगर नहीं होगा तो मुझे वापस ही भेज देंगे, इट्स फाइन. मगर मैंने कहा एटलीस्ट आई कैन टेल पीपल या तो खुला है या नहीं खुला है. तो अभी तक तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 40 तक तो आई गॉटन इन ऑल ऑफ देम. ठीक है.
So I know you talk about the people, you
Yeah.
talk about the culture, you talk about the food.
Yes.
Are there any other specific things that you look at when you go into any country? And how long is each trip?
Okay, each trip, usually it's like a weekish, 5 to 8, but some have been longer. Like
Depends on how big the country
how
is.
big the country is or
How much there's to see.
yeah, or how much I'm probably attached to it.
Okay.
So like I went to Bangladesh earlier this year. That was a long
Yeah.
trip. Afghanistan was long because I feel like we have a lot of common history. So I was like, I need to get into this more. So like so I do that also. Other things which I'm a try, I buy art in every country.
Yeah, I saw that paintings. Yes.
So yes, I have to then look and find that. So I've gone into like the weirdest of places to get art. That is some stuff.
Aren't you running out of space in your house?
I've made space. I have. My mom is always, she's like, nahi, nahi, hatega. I was like, no, it's not going anywhere.
Okay, so Bangladesh, you liked.
I really like Bangladesh.
And Trinidad and Tobago,
Yes.
you said was
Yes.
really good.
Bangladesh right now, I want to tell Pakistanis that it's opened up for travel right now. For 16 years under Sheikh Hasina was completely closed. And right now I'm very happy to see a lot of Pakistani travelers go there. Bangladeshis come here. And I think we should use this opportunity to get to know one another again.
Yeah, I know.
It's a very natural friendship where I felt like when I went, I didn't need to try too hard to get along with people. It was very chill.
And there was no enmity. There was a time I remember when we went as a delegation, there was a lot of that. So I'm wondering if
I think now a lot of them are like, they would tell me, they're like, Bilal, it was not your war, it was a much earlier generations. And they would tell me, okay, it's okay. And they're like, we also as people, we've matured and we want to get to know one another. And that was very nice for me. Initially, मैं नहीं बताता था मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ, मेरा बांग्लादेशी दोस्त तो खुल गया पाकिस्तान से, पाकिस्तान से, पाकिस्तान से, क्या कर रहे हो?
हाँ, जरा थोड़ा आहिस्ता आहिस्ता।
Yeah, मैंने कहा थोड़ा आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. So yeah, that's what would happen.
अच्छा, any so special stories from any of the countries that you
Oh,
visit?
depends. So lots of special stories. I would have to think very hard. We can get specific. Oh, okay. Afghanistan was actually an interesting one. Afghanistan, when I landed in Afghanistan, actually before in transit, I was in Dubai because I went by flight Dubai. So there's this one guy. वो रात के 2 ढाई बजे थे, मुझे आके एकदम से पहचान गया था। बहुत बातें बातें करने का मूड में, मैं कहा यार आई एम टायर्ड, अभी मेरा मूड नहीं है। और बहुत बातें, ही सही मैं आपका पेज देखता हूँ, सब कुछ उर्दू एंड उर्दू में बात करता हूँ, बिल्कुल क्लियर। एंड सर कहाँ जा रहे हैं? मैं कहा काबुल जा रहा हूँ। ऐसे काबुल 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 तो मेरा घर है, काबुल मेरा घर है, मैं अफगानिस्तान जा रहा हूँ। ये वो आप किधर बैठे हैं, किधर बैठे हैं? मैंने कहा बाथरूम वाले बिल्कुल पीछे हूँ। He's like, नहीं नहीं मैं बिल्कुल आगे। सर जहाज से निकलना ना तो मेरा इंतजार करना, मेरा इंतजार करना।
So did you?
मैंने कहा सही है, ठीक है। मैंने कहा वैसे ही आई एम गोना बी एट द एंड सो यू विल सी मी। तो मैं निकल रहा हूँ जो फुट ब्रिज है ना वहाँ, तो वहाँ मैंने देखा वहाँ 2 खड़े हुए आदमी काली पगड़ी वाले एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह गॉड, लगे तो मुझे अरेस्ट कराएगा। ठीक है, तो मैंने कहा पहले ही दिन ये वाला। तो आके मुझसे कहते हैं आप हैं मोहम्मद बिलाल हसन? मैंने कहा जी जी। उसमें से एक ने मेरा हाथ पकड़ लिया और उसने कहा चले हमारे साथ। मैंने कहा ऐसे ग्रेट।
तो कहे
मैंने कहा कल, और मैं वैसी बेसबॉल कैप पहन के, मैंने कहा कल खबरों में हो गए बर्गर लड़का पागल आ गया। मैंने कहा पूरे पाकिस्तान में मीम होगा। तो ले गया, मुझे बता भी नहीं रहा कहाँ जा रहा हूँ। तो हम नीचे गया तो उसने कहा आप तो हमारा मेहमान हो। तो उसने कहा ये आप कि नॉर्मल इमिग्रेशन लाइन में क्यों खड़े हो रहे हो, आप डिप्लोमेट में खड़े हो। तो मुझे स्टैम्प वैम्प करके अंदर है ना, मैं तो बाहर इतनी जल्दी आ गया तो मैं भी परेशान, मेरा होस्ट भी नहीं पहुंच गया। तुम्हारा होस्ट कहाँ है, तुम्हारा होस्ट कहाँ है? मैंने कहा मेरा होस्ट बाहर होगा, मगर आई हैड नो सिग्नल्स एंड मेरे पास उसका इत्तेफाक से नंबर भी नहीं था। जैसे चलो मैं तुम्हारे साथ चलूंगा। देन वॉकड विद मी ऑल द वे टू द आउटसाइड। अब मेरा होस्ट वाज ड्रेस्ड इन कंप्लीट लोकल अटायर, मैं बिल्कुल गोरा बनकर आया था। तो देखता है इसे, तुम्हारा दोस्त है? मैंने कहा हाँ हाँ। से वाकई में तुम्हारा दोस्त? मैं कहा हाँ हाँ। से तुम पागल हो? मैं हाँ पागल हूँ। वो तो हूँ, ठीक है, वो तो हूँ, ठीक है।
हाँ.
So yeah, stuff like that tends to happen quite often.
So there are social issues that you talk about a
Mm.
lot. So travel, yes, I mean there's so much interesting stuff
Yes.
wherever you go.
Yeah.
You talk about their culture, you talk about the people, you
Yeah.
talk about something somebody may have done.
Yes.
And also hospitality
Of
बहुत
course,
मिलती है।
of
ऐसा
courस।
लगता है कि बस वो इंतजार कर रहे थे कि बिलाल आए तो हम उसको खिलाएं पिलाएं घुमाएं। But when you talk about social issues,
Yeah.
especially those to do with Pakistan,
Hmm.
do you know what kind of issues are especially those that you address?
There's a lot of issues, and I guess with time I realized that as the platform started growing, because before I used to just speak on this, sometimes I used to just travel culture, old building, that is what
या कुछ हो जाए तो उसके बारे में भी बात कर
मैं
लेते
तब नहीं करता था,
अच्छा,
because
okay.
I'd never felt that onus on me, that privilege on me, वो pressure नहीं था। But with time, I guess मुझे एक sort of realization हुई कि okay, oh my god, this platform is very big now, and I was like, I should be using it to say things.
Yeah, you have a
Like yeah,
big following.
yeah, and it doesn't hit me like but when I put out those opinions and I see how many people have seen this, then I was like, okay, maybe कुछ कोई तो सुनता होगा. And that's when I started speaking up. And but speaking up maybe जो है ना, it's like that's what I want to say. It's not easy. Because अगर आप जब भी कोई एक opinion देंगे, whether good or bad, आके एक ना एक बंदा आके हगेगा आपके ऊपर आके. And the more hot button the issue is, the more people will come, and it really messes with your mental health. It and like this past 2 months has been bad. It has been bad because the India-Pakistan war happened. India-Pakistan ke baad, then this Iran-Israel started happening. The Sana Yusuf Ali tragedy hui thi. And I speak on all of it. But back to back, it's like, you're like, oh my God, guys. And then फिर कई लोग आपको मैसेज कर रहे होते हैं on little smaller issues. They're like, इस पे भी बोल लेना, इस पे भी बोल लेना. You're like, I don't have it in me today. यार. I just can't do it. I'm just one person.
But how do you handle that then? All this mental stuff that
I
goes.
travel. I just get out. I just get out. I was like, okay, where can I go now? I just book the ticket, get out.
Just to get away from it all.
Disappear for a while and then you refresh. Because at the end of the day, I chose this life. I know I chose this life. And this, it has its pros, it has its cons. Pros बहुत हैं, but cons भी हैं.
Of course.
And the con of this is that you are public commodity. You are a public figure है. And public figure के ऊपर public figure वाली responsibility भी आपके ऊपर आती है.
Responsibility आती है and लोग समझते हैं कि हम जो कहना चाहें कैसे.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. I was like, the amount of people who, you know, that's the thing. जो I think as humans, we were never programmed to know what so many people think about you. We were not programmed for this. And now for me, the realization that I was like, कई लोग होंगे, they will have such a strong opinion on you, and you're like, I don't even know you.
Yeah.
मैं तुमसे मिला भी नहीं हूँ. तुमने मुझसे बात भी नहीं करी, but they will have such a strong opinion on you. And I think initially it used to get to me a lot, but now I was like, okay. I was like, okay, now you're just making me feel more self-important.
Would you prefer that they, okay, if they disagree with you, that they should have a discourse with you?
I would prefer
rather
that.
than just start hitting you on the head?
Yes, like the thing is, I don't mind if you disagree with me, and that is why I'm giving an opinion, because I want it to be a forum where we can come and. बट एक डिकोरम होना चाहिए. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे यहाँ डिकोरम नहीं है. वो सीधा गालम गलोच में आएंगे या सीधा कुछ बहुत ही विट्रियोलिक कुछ लिख देंगे या पर्सनल हो जाएंगे. या कुछ कुछ लोग होते हैं जो these people know you your entire life, they know me, but just because आपने कोई opinion दे दी आएंगे, I am unfollowing you today. I was like, man, क्या हो गया? We were friends, like just because of one opinion. Like like, but yeah, that is the reality of this space.
Can we do something to change that?
I mean, we have to evolve, and my mantra is that I shouldn't stop speaking.
No,
I should continue doing this, and eventually people will evolve, because I feel like as a society, we are not used to even speaking out. We're very used to being very vanilla about our issues or acting like these issues don't exist. But जैसे जैसे हम बोलते रहेंगे, eventually society will evolve and probably we'll be.
But have you noticed, I mean, especially recently, as things have started going wrong in other parts of the world, we're very vocal about their issues. And yet we don't address our own.
100%. I've said this, and the people did not like it when I said it. I was like, जैसे पाकिस्तान में हम बहुत like वलवले और जोश के साथ हम फिलिस्तीन के मुसलमान, गाजा के मुसलमान, बर्मा के हम उसके बारे में सब बोलेंगे, मगर गॉड फॉरबिड हमारे मुल्क में कुछ हो रहा हो तो we will look the other way. We'll be silent about it. And this is like not to misconstrue. बिल्कुल उसके बारे में बोलना चाहिए. फिलिस्तीन गाजा बिल्कुल.
मगर अपने भी तो issues
but
solve
जो
करने
हमारे
हैं.
वाले issues हैं, why do you go silent on them? Why do you look the other way? Why do you act like they don't happen? Yeah, if I speak on it, एक और category आती है. It's like, यार बिलाल ना करो यार, तुम्हारी इंटरनेशनल फॉलोइंग है बहुत सारी, ये हमारा इमेज खराब करिए पाकिस्तान का.
हाँ, ये अक्सर होता है लोग कहते हैं.
ये हमारा इमेज खराब.
इमेज तो वैसे ही खराब हो रहा है.
मैंने कहा ना बोलने से acting like it doesn't happen, it just और खराब होता है. So yeah, that's the thing. But I was like, जब तक हम बोलेंगे नहीं इसके बारे में, जब तक we don't acknowledge the problem, हाँ सही कैसे हो?
How can the problem change?
That is it.
So how has Mr. Paki evolved over time?
Oh my God, yeah, Mr. Paki.
How long has it been?
It's been a while, 6, 7 years, but professionally, I think 2, 3 years where I've been like, okay.
And have you changed as
Yes,
Mr. Paki?
definitely. I guess I've become more private, because initially when I came into this industry, you come in with very starry eyes. You're like, oh my God, I'm a creator.
Yeah.
And then you get invited to all these events where all the big creators, the bigger ones you've looked up to are there. And you're like, wow, I'm going to be friends with this. It's not like that. It's not like that.
They're not your friends, or it doesn't impress you so much anymore?
The thing is, I need to say, it's a workspace. Right. It's calm. So like, मैं भी अगर काम करना है वो भी काम करना है. So and workspace में सब colleagues हैं, and for me to process that for a while, because पहले तो it's fun and games ना, but then you realize, oh no, it's a workspace, and your colleagues and peers will also view you as a colleague and a peer, and at times as competition also.
Of course.
So and where so much money is involved, so many pitches, so many brands involved, they will look at you that way. They'll be like, "इसको क्यों मिल गई है? इसको ये मुझे तो मुझे मिलनी चाहिए." You know, these kind of things. So I have also learned to treat it like that. So it's like, okay, मैं जा रहा हूँ, धंधे में जा रहा हूँ, काम करके, okay, bye. Um, and like I've also learned to also protect my personal life more because a lot of people share too much on social media. About my family, I've become more private, become more like if I'm going to a restaurant, I realize I don't have to post everything. I have to protect that also. So for me, how Mr. Paki has evolved is that I have come to the point where okay, I treat it as two things, man, and I have to remind myself, Anika, I'm doing this why? Because I love this, because I enjoy doing this. But where the branded, the paid वाला काम है, वो काम है. बस वो काम. यहाँ कोई दोस्ती करने नहीं आए हैं. दोस्त जो है आपके बाहर है, जो outside है.
Has it affected your friendships to any extent?
Yes, definitely, definitely. Because a lot of people, you know, the thing is the sad part and the tragic part of it is that people start viewing you as a number. You're not Bilal. Like I'm Bilal, and I would like you to come and meet me just as Bilal. But they will look at me like a number. They'll be like, Mr. Paki, 233K. You're a number. You're 233K. And so उनके दिमाग में होता है, what can I get out of 233K, Mr. Paki? So कई दफा ये होता है, a lot of people will be like, oh yeah, like I'm in town, let's hang out. And you know, you'll be like, yeah, let's hang out, sure, ठीक है. It's not a hangout. It's probably going to be a ridiculous business pitch or something, which will come in a bit, and it's like, ये मेरे बिल्ली के पकौड़ों का business है, ये मेरे कुछ है and everything, and bro, like we should collaborate and everything, and you feel so blindsided because you know, like at my stage, you just want to hang out for coffee, you just want to talk, and I think at this stage, I have kind of lost that ability where that does not happen.
That's so sad.
It is very sad. It is very sad, and it is very weird and very isolating because whenever someone's messaging me to hang out, I'm literally on my. I said, "Hey,
Does he really want to hang out? Or
what does he want?"
Yeah.
Yeah, that kind of thing. Like we recently, it even happened. Like a very good friend of mine, was visiting from out of town, and we hung out for dinner, and it was lovely. We caught up very tactfully. Like the thing is, they feel like they're doing it for the first time, but I know in his head he was me, and he's like towards the end, he's like, "Hi, ये मेरा कुछ एक नया business start हो रहा है and everything," and I was like, "Oh God, no, no,
Would
no."
you prefer it if they just initially, when they called you, said, "I need help with
You know, I would love it just if you were just open and frank about it. And if you're my friend, I like Jani sar aankhon pe, but just be frank about it. Don't act like, we're just hanging out for dinner. Like, don't do that charade with me. Don't do it. Just text me. You're like, hey bro, I'm just starting a new business and everything. I need a bit of help. I'll be like, sure. What do you need? I save time.
Yeah.
I could be somewhere else doing it. And this, like in your head, and you're like, yeah, this could have been a WhatsApp message or voice note. And I would help you out that way. I'd be like, bro,
And also, it wouldn't have ruined our relationship.
it wouldn't have. It wouldn't have. It wouldn't have.
Yeah.
And but that is where it is now. And like so because of that, like how I've evolved more is like now I really value like मेरे school के दोस्त, the people who know me from before, who know just Bilal.
Yeah.
They don't.
Yeah.
They know me, and they will.
Those are very different people.
Those are very different. They know me before this, and so like I value them. I value my cousins. I value my siblings more because these are people who just know me, and I could talk to them just as me, like without this. Yeah, I'm not saying that I don't like the cloud. I don't like. It's great, and it gives me a lot of privilege and access.
Yeah.
Access to places where I didn't think I would have. Like just yes, like 2 days before, like जो आज न्यूयॉर्क का जो मेयर जो बंदा है जो Zoran Mamdani,
Yeah.
like that person DM'd me, and because I was just commenting on all of his, they're like, "Oh, bro, we would love to have you and everything. Come and campaign for us." I was like, "Jenny, I don't live in New York. I'm just a fan, but my comments get liked a lot over there." And he's like, "Oh no, thank you so much for the support." But point being, that is the access which I've gotten through this, and
I remember you were on the panel with the mayor of Karachi.
yeah. Like
And that's great because your opinion, his opinion. Why should it be?
It is a surreal feeling when
Yeah.
you're like, my God, like I'm here, sitting here at the highest levels. But yeah, sometimes you just crave having a normal conversation without any strings attached. That is what, yeah, I would like to have.
More recently, I've seen that you started collaborating with some other content creators.
Yes.
How has that been? And, has it worked out?
Yes, and I'm very picky about who I collaborate with. Like we have to creatively meet, and दूसरी बात है, it is about the content, the work. It's not about that. Oh यार, मेरे इतने follower तुम्हारे इतने follower नहीं है, मिल मिला के हमारे इतने आ जाएंगे. We literally never do that. It's literally just because we creatively we meet. So like there's this creator, उसका नाम है Syed Noor or something. So we did it was a love letter to Karachi. He's like,
I remember that.
yeah, and it's like kabhi aapko mohabbat hui, that kind of thing. And Karachi's like that jilted lover. So I was like, I'll do the voiceover and you do the visuals. And it was not about ke tumhare itne hote hain. We literally just creatively we liked what we did. So that's how I collaborate. But a lot of kids jo aa rahe hain, newer kids, it's literally just it's a business deal. It's a business deal. It's like okay, तुम्हारे होते हैं, मेरे होते हैं, हम साथ में करेंगे, हम दोनों के मिलके इतने हो जाएंगे. ग्रोथ है कि नहीं है यार, हमारे कोलैबोरेशन फॉलोअर ही नहीं आ रहे, व्यू नहीं आ रहे. And so like the thing is because we are like I came into this space because I just like creating. It was not about the numbers or anything, but it is like that a lot.
If you're invited to anything, I mean, an event, whether it's paid or not paid, how do you decide which one to go to, which one not to go to? Does it depend on interest?
Yes.
Of course, money is a factor,
Of
but
course.
it's not the only factor.
No.
And sometimes there might be money in it, but you may not want to do it at all.
बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक है.
तो ऐसा हुआ है?
Yes, बहुत दफा. Now it's like कि I am वही वाली बात है. I first question कि if it's like a money से paid gig, then I'm probably doing something over there.
Right.
या तो reel बना रहा हूँ, story का, so that's different. But कभी कभार it's like I was like, does the brand align with me? Kabhi kbhar it could be a very problematic brand like Shilajit or something. I was like, I don't know. I don't know much about this. And kabhi kbhar you need to ask why am I invited over here? ये वाला thing है. And if it seems so too impersonal, then I don't go there. And then the most important for me is like, who is going there? Is it going to be fun?
Yeah.
Am I going to end up having fun conversation over there? And like I said, now at this stage, sometimes you just want to have a normal outing, just a normal outing. And kabhi kabar, some of these like events is like, it actually does end up being a normal outing because they don't want anything. They just want you to just
You to
come,
be there. Yeah.
just be there. It's probably going to be a nice dinner. You catch up and they'll, and nobody's in the mood to take pictures. So that is the best thing. You're just chilling. So that's how I decide.
I wouldn't like to hang out with me. I'm always taking pictures.
No, you're sweet. You're sweet. You're sweet. But at least we have conversation. We have conversation.
So
And-
the intent is not just to take pictures.
Exactly. And our conversation is very travel or we're like, किधर
किधर जाना है, क्या करना है?
yeah. It's like real conversation.
Yeah, this Kenya trip was so good.
I need details.
I had such a great time. And Bakra Eid, though I try and get away anyway. So it was, no, but even Tbilisi, which you recommend.
I'm going to go back. I will go back. I want to go back.
I think it needs more days than I spent.
Yes.
Yeah, so, okay. Now you talk a lot about women's issues.
Yes.
Because more people in this country don't. They feel it's a taboo subject.
Yeah.
What are maybe the top 2 or 3 that you've covered that you feel need to be addressed?
एक तो बहुत सिंपल जो है कि that women एक तो education that they should have access because कई families के अंदर they literally just don't allow them to get access to education or jobs या एक जो उनके दिमाग में होता है कि औरत की जो priority है the minute she turns like in her 2021 बस शादी कर दो अब वो मियाँ की responsibility है I believe कि ख़वातीन अगर अपने पाँव पर खुद खड़ी होगी खुद empowered होगी अपने पैसे खुद बना रही होगी she will not be bound in कई दफा होता है because I have a lot of relatives who are just bound in really toxic marriages but they just can't get out because पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है empowered
इसी का तो डर है उनको कि ये काबिल हो जाएंगी तो ये they will not take any kind of
like एक there's one person in my family वो हर 2-3 महीने बाद बेचारी पिट कर आ जाती है और रोती है बस आके हमारे घर पे and it's very sad has 2-3 kids also बट शी कांट डू एनीथिंग एंड फैमिली भी उसकी यही बोलती थी कि वापस चले जाओ, मना लो मना लो, and मुझे हमेशा डर रहता है उसका,
Yeah,
हमेशा
you never know
you never know when, yeah,
when it could turn into
Agreed.
more violence.
Exactly. So one that, and दूसरी safety, एक safety and security, and इधर जो सबसे जो रोल आता है हमारा मर्दों का ही आता है, and this is where I get the most backlash from, is जब is जो all of the crimes which are perpetrated on women are from the hands of men, but a lot of men do not want to acknowledge this.
But there are some that are actually also encouraged by older women.
बिल्कुल देखो, एक पैट्रियार्की है ना, वो पूरी एक ऊपर से आती है, सारा मिलजुल के पूरा एक सिस्टम है. तो yeah, these are the things.
But have you seen a change that men are beginning to acknowledge this and try and make a difference, educate other men?
Slowly, yes, but we still have a lot of work to do. Abhi, at least what I'll say, जो इस Sana Yusuf की जो tragedy हुई थी, a lot of male creators did speak up.
I'm not talking just about creators.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the normal Joe. Are they talking about it? Don't they have sisters, wives, children, daughters?
The thing is, जो हमारा जो bubble है ना, Karachi और Islamabad bubble, थोड़ा सा, but when you go into the heartland, नहीं. And that is the sad thing. वहाँ अभी तक वही हम उसी माइंडसेट में, रिग्रेसिव माइंडसेट के अंदर है. Until ऊपर से मैसेजिंग नहीं आएगी, ऊपर से मैसेजिंग, and countries have changed this way, जहाँ क्योंकि मैसेजिंग ऊपर से आती है. And we don't see this as a priority. अभी हम अगर देखें जेंडर इक्वालिटी इंडेक्स में, अब तो हम लास्ट हैं.
I think that's
But हो भी
some
सकता है.
inaccuracy,
हो
but we're not far from that.
No. We're not at the top 10.
Let's not kid ourselves.
Let's
Yeah.
not kid ourselves. And when I actually made a video, where did all the women go? मैंने एक बनाई थी.
I remember that.
The most hate I got was actually from women in Pakistan on that, which really surprised me. And they were like, नहीं, ये झूठ बोल रहे हो, ये ऐसा होता नहीं है, ख्वातीन तो हम empowered हैं. गल्फ में जाओ, देखो कितनी ख्वातीन होती है. मैंने कहा गल्फ is a women's market.
Yeah.
ऐसी बात है, वहाँ ख्वातीन नहीं
वहीं होंगी.
और कहाँ होंगी, ठीक है. And they were saying stuff.
मीना बाजार चले जाओ.
Yeah.
मतलब, come on,
Yeah,
let's
come
not
on.
kid ourselves.
But I don't blame them, because a lot of these women जो comment करी हैं, उनकी दुनिया ये है. That is their idea of public life. But what about आप एक public park में जाएं, मुझे बताएं, ठीक है, आपको कोई भूल, आप सीव्यू पे चले जाएं. Like मैं जब भी 14 अगस्त की तस्वीरें लेता था, तो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा जो कमेंट आते थे ख्वातीन के आते थे, कहते बिलाल, these are beautiful pictures, but where are the women? There are no women here. And these are Pakistani women
या
commenting this.
bicycle पे जाएं या कुछ करें. Why can't women indulge in sports?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
बस एक तबका है जो कर सकता है.
वो
पैडल खेल सकता है.
वो भी जाओ,
वो भी बहुत लिमिटेड.
behind gates, behind walls, सिक्योरिटी के थ्रू जाओ, कार टैप इन टैप आउट, मगर ऐसे नहीं है. कोई हमारे अवाम प्रोसेस नहीं कर सकती है. जैसे अगर आप जाएं, आप श्रीलंका जाएं, नेपाल जाएं, जगहों के अंदर women are very empowered, a part of public society. हम अगर आप देखेंगे, जैसे men, you'll see them running on the street. women अगर होंगी, वो पार्क में होगा ज्यादा, अगर वो भागने जाएंगी, ऐसी नहीं नजर आएंगी आपको. यहाँ बहुत अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, लाइक हमारे लोग प्रोसेस नहीं कर सकते, लाइक उनके लिए. एंड इवन दिस इज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड सेक्शंस ऑफ कराची.
Yeah. And what about in the rural areas? Do you see a difference? Do you see more respect for women in towns? And
the respect तो है, but again वो एक बहुत,
but the way they show respect is very different.
It's very different. It's very sheltered. It's very वो, and at the end of the day वही वाली बात है कि बस एक उम्र आएगी, इसकी शादी होगी, फिर ये मियाँ की responsibility है, that वाला. So yeah,
They feel they're protecting them.
they feel they're protecting them.
Although they're also protecting them from doing anything big.
Anything, and basically problem ये protecting them so much कि उनका horizon ही बेचारियों का broadened ही नहीं होता, वो उधर ही हदूद में ही रहता है. So even when they get married, they don't realize, उनको दुनिया ही नहीं समझ आती. That is how sheltered they are. Yeah.
So now there are more women coming into professional life. Sadly, not enough of them are, getting to board level positions or CEO positions, which is my pet peeve, and I'm trying to do something to change that. Do you think there is any reason they cannot get to those positions?
No, I think Pakistani women are much more brilliant than men. Because I think Pakistani, and this I spoke about it once.
Okay.
I was like, okay, this is a thing, and I have seen this with a lot of Pakistani women. Ke once they go through some tragedy or something, या कोई उनको बोल दे तुम नहीं कर सकते, they will मूव हेवेंस एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड वो छोटी चीज नहीं करेगी,
वो फिर बहुत बड़ी चीज
वो
है।
फिर जाएगी ऑस्कर जीतेगी, वो जाएगी एमी जीतेगी। अगर आप पाकिस्तान में देखें, हमारी ऑस्कर विनर, एमी विनर, नोबेल पीस प्राइज, देर ऑल विमेन। हमने कुछ नहीं किया है, देर ऑल विमेन। एंड इवन अगर आप बाहर भी जाए एंड एवरीथिंग, देर ऑल एट द टॉप लेवल। लाइक माय सिस्टर इज अ डॉक्टर, एंड जो अमेरिका के अंदर जो ज्यादा डॉक्टर्स होंगे, जो चीफ रेजिडेंट अगर पाकिस्तानी होगी, वो औरत ही होगी। Because I think society, even in Pakistan, even if they have to be successful in Pakistan, they have to work 2 times, 3 times more harder.
Yeah, yeah.
Because even if a woman is talking in like a meeting and everything, कई दफा the man will not listen to her. उसी के साथ में कोई एक बोंगा आदमी बस उसी को पैराफ्रेज करके बोल देगा कि हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हैं. So they know they have to work 10 times harder. So I believe Pakistani women are, they are, they can move heaven. मैं तो कहता हूँ उनको औरतें संभालने सही हो जाएगा.
But so, the country comprises of almost 50% women.
Yes,
right?
बिल्कुल.
So
We are not utilizing that.
even if you think from the angle of your customer base,
Yeah.
or the people that you hire and whatever, shouldn't we actually be looking at that?
Yes.
Not
Absolutely.
because we want to help the women, but because we want to help ourselves.
I would be like, forget all of your biases, think about the economy.
Yeah.
उसी में अगर ये 50% में से 25-30% भी आपने किसी तरह से empower करते हैं, मुल्क बदल जाएगा, completely बदल जाएगा. And a lot of people
मैं
bring,
तो कहती हूँ empower भी ना करें, आप बस don't stand in their way.
बस उनके रास्ते में, जैसे मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक जो डिफरेंस है, जैसे अभी मैं गया हूँ बांग्लादेश गया हूँ, सिमिलर, बट देयर इकोनॉमी इज डूइंग मच बेटर देन अस. उन्होंने सिर्फ एक चीज करी, उन्होंने औरतों में पावर भी नहीं, बस उनके रास्ते में नहीं,
और एजुकेट होने
और एजुकेट होने थे. जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. यस, स्ट्रक्चरली अगर आप ऊपर से देखेंगे, कॉस्मेटिकली पाकिस्तानी सिटीज आर मच बेटर डेवलप्ड देन बांग्लादेश, बट व्हेन आप वहां उनका स्पेंडिंग पावर देखते हैं, यू आर लाइक दे डेफिनेटली डूइंग मच बेटर. लाइक उनके लिए जो 1000 टाका है, हमारे 3000 पाकिस्तानी रुपए है. उनके लिए 1000 टाका खर्च करना इज जस्ट 1000 टाका है, मगर वो 1000 टाका मेरे लिए 3-4 हजार रुपए, 3-4 हजार रुपए यहाँ बंदे के लिए बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं वहां. एंड दैट वाज द डिफरेंस ओवर देयर. वहां औरतें आपको नजर आएंगी, फैक्ट्री में काम कर रही होंगी, रिक्शा चला रही होंगी, रात के अंदर में आप वहां देखें, ढाका के अंदर, इतने बड़े शहर के अंदर, आपको लड़कियां अकेली नजर आएंगी रिक्शे में. यहाँ अकेली लड़की रिक्शा में जाने से 10 दफा सोचती है. इवन अगर वो किसी राइड शेयरिंग ऐप में भी जाती है, अपना सब कुछ शेयर करती हुई जाती है. सो फर्क है.
How can we change that? How do people not understand from the leadership down that something needs to be done just to help the country?
I think exactly. I think they're not thinking. ये हमारा एक गोल्ड माइन है जो हम लिटरली टैप नहीं कर रहे इसके अंदर. दिस के जस्ट हमारी खवातीन के बस रास्ते में ना आए. जस्ट लेट देम, उनको पढ़ने लिखने दें सुकून से. बहुत फर्क पड़ सकता है. लाइक नॉट टू बी कंप्लीटली अबाउट इट, बट लिटिल लिटिल वर्क हैज बीन डन, बट आई फील लाइक अ लॉट हैज टू बी. जैसे कराची के अंदर जो सिंपल सी जो चीज जो करी है, जैसे मैंने अपना पब्लिकली मैंने देखा है, फर्क पड़ा है, इस जो एक पिंक बस है.
हाँ.
अब ये जो पिंक बस है और एक पिंक स्कूटर्स भी इन्होंने शुरू करी है. तो जो पिंक बस है, ये एक जो मेरा अस्पताल होता था उस, और मेरा अस्पताल कुरंगी में था, तो बिल्कुल उसके सामने आके रुकती थी. सो कई नर्सेज हमारे हॉस्पिटल में जो थी, वो बस में आती थी.
They felt safer.
बिल्कुल. उन्होंने कहा एयर कंडीशन है, दूसरी बात है मुझे कोई छेड़े-वेड़ेगा नहीं, मैं सुकून से जाऊँगी, सुकून से वापस आऊँगी.
अब तो बसेस भी हैं.
हाँ ना,
Pink buses.
तो पिंक जो बिल्कुल वो पिंक बस पूरी है, और उसका कार्ड होता है. सो
हाँ.
लिटिल वर्क हैज बीन डन, बट आई फील लाइक
It's not enough.
it's
There's a
not.
lot
We
more.
are a very big population. We're the 5th most populous country in the world, and we are not even utilizing our full potential, which is why I speak so much about it, because I speak about it with frustration. I was like, करने दें. अब एक और जैसे जो चीज है, जो एक और हमारा अनटैप्ड जो एक है पोटेंशियल, एक बात से दूसरी बात निकल रही है कि व्हेन आई ट्रैवल अक्रॉस साउथ एशिया, डू यू नो जो हमारा सबसे ज्यादा जो पूछते हैं मुझसे, जब मैं कहता हूँ मैं पाकिस्तान से आया हूं, व्हाट डू दे से, because मेरे दिमाग में था, मैंने कहा oh my god they're going to go terrorism and all. They're like, and this is women, they're like, हम आपके फैशन फॉलो करते हैं, हम आपके फैशन फॉलो करते हैं. They're like, oh no, आपके ड्रामे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं,
हाँ.
your music. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ देम नो हमारी एक्ट्रेसेस कौन से कपड़े पहन रही हैं, कौन से. जैसे मैं बांग्लादेश जब गया था, तो मेरा एक दोस्त था, उसकी बेगम ने एकदम से मुझे अपना, वो बहुत एक्साइटेड थी. शी नेवर मेट अ पाकिस्तानी, आई वाज द फर्स्ट पाकिस्तानी शी मेट, बट शी वाज वेरी वेल अवेयर अबाउट पॉप कल्चर. तो वो कह रही थी ये देखिए हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, इस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से हम पाकिस्तानी कपड़े वहाँ से मँगवाते हैं, ब्लैक में आते हैं। और मैंने कहा कैसे पता? कहती है हम ड्रामा देखते हैं, हम ड्रामे पे हम स्क्रीनशॉट कर लेते हैं, हम व्हाट्सएप पे भेजते हैं, वो मँगवाते हैं। दे न्यू अबाउट ऑल द डिज़ाइनर्स। उनको पता था ये फरात अल अज़ीज़ है, उनको पता था ये सैफायर है, उनको पता था कौन-सा रेंज है, दे न्यू ऑल ऑफ दिस। वी आर नॉट इवन यूटिलाइजिंग दैट। आप विमेन फैशन चलो अगर आपको उसी नज़रिया से सोचना है, वो भी तो यूटिलाइज़ कर लो, इतनी बड़ी मार्केट है। पॉप सॉफ्ट पावर, पॉप कल्चर इज़ अ वेरी बिग थिंग व्हिच वी आर नॉट इवन यूटिलाइजिंग कंप्लीटली।
And it can also affect the image of the country.
100%,
आप
100%.
देखें कि अगर शर्मीन को ऑस्कर मिला तो it had a great impact.
बिल्कुल, 100%.
And you know there are people who come up जो म्यूजिक में
अरूज आफ्ताब उसको ग्रैमी मिला था।
ग्रैमी
तो
मिला
इससे फ़र्क पड़ता है। अब जैसे अब मैं नेपाल गया था, जब नेपाल के अंदर गया था तो एक कैफ़े था, वहाँ कैफ़े में एक बंदा गाने गा रहा था, उसने एकदम से कहा था नहीं अच्छी वाइब थी। मैंने ऐसे जाके पूछा डज़ एनीवन हैव एनी रिक्वेस्ट? मैंने ऐसे जाके बोला, मैंने कहा, "कोई पाकिस्तानी गाना आता है?" मैंने ऐसे टेस्ट कर लिया। उसने कहा, "हाँ ना, आता है आतिफ़ असलम का।" परफ़ेक्ट तलफ़्फ़ुज़ में उसने परफ़ेक्ट
वाओ
कोई एक्सेंट नहीं था उसमें। सेम थिंग श्रीलंका गया था, उनको कॉल के गाने पता थे। पॉइंट बीइंग सॉफ्ट पावर इज़ पावर एंड पीपल आर नॉट मैंने तो एक दफ़ा बोला था मैंने कहा वी आर द कोरियंस ऑफ साउथ एशिया। जैसे कोरियंस होते हैं मैंने कहा पीपल लुक एट अस फॉर फैशन इन आवर रीजन, दे लुक एट अस for like cultural cues and we don't even know this.
and even our foods.
Our food, it is we
Food, masala, anything.
yeah.
You find it everywhere in the world.
100%.
But we are not
We are not
marketing.
branding it
Yeah,
सही से।
yeah.
We are not branding it. अब जैसे इधर था बांग्लादेश में, they knew हमारे टॉप एक्टर्स, उनको पता था दूर फिशा कौन, को हानिया में पता था। They knew all of this, but I think we should use it as a cultural connection. Can have these actors, actresses go there. Bangladesh is a big market. It's almost 200 million people तो वहाँ रहते हैं।
नहीं हम अपने political issues में ही रह जाएंगे कुछ करेंगे। Okay, is there anything that we haven't covered that you would like to talk about?
My God, no! I think we went all over. We went all over the place.
Perhaps we shouldn't have. So, supposing somebody wants to become Mr. Pak, what steps would they have to
I
take?
would say don't become Mr. Paki. Be yourself.
Yeah. But how? I mean, if they want to be, what I meant was if they want to be a content creator.
I would say, okay, number one, ask yourself why you want to do this. First, you need to ask yourself.
Of course.
If you enjoy making content, just आपको मजा आता है, जरूर आए. But if you're coming here from the perspective of अरे यार मैं बहुत पैसे बनाऊंगा यार, बहुत
तो
पैसे
नहीं इतना
बनाऊंगा.
आसानी से बनते हैं पैसे
नहीं.
और कंटेंट भी फिर इतना क्रिएटिव नहीं होता है
एग्जैक्टली और ओरिजिनलिटी होनी चाहिए. ब्रांड भी आपको देख लेगा, उनको पता चल जाएगा इस बंदे में देयर इज नॉट मच ओवर हियर. बस वो ताली ताली कोलैब हा ओके एक दो माइट टेक ऑफ बट हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू सस्टेन दिस? व्हाट इज योर पर्सनालिटी? व्हाट इज योर ब्रांड गोइंग टू बी? सो दैट इज व्हाट आई विल टेल पीपल. आई विल टेल देम बी योरसेल्फ. एक जो चीज होती है जो हमारे क्रिएटर्स में पाकिस्तान में इज लाइक वो किसी का एक फॉर्मेट देख लेते हैं, कहते हैं दिस वर्क्स. अब जैसे आप रमजान के अंदर देखें खाने की चीजें सारी फोटो कॉपी होती है, देयर ऑल फोटो कॉपीज एंड you're like does anyone have their own personality?
Yeah.
And I would want people to do that. I was like अपनी voice find करो. And that takes a while.
Yeah.
And जैसे कहते हैं कि आपकी जो पहली 1000 तस्वीरें, पहले 1000 वीडियो will be trash. If I look at my earliest video, मैं कहता हूँ क्या कर रहा था यार, आप बहुत cringe करोगे. But ऐसे ही you will find your voice.
And then do you find the right equipment and all of that? Because initially you just use what
I
you
use a
have.
phone. I use a phone. I
Okay.
use a phone. But if we're doing like branded work, obviously, because then we get a budget, then I have a team. I have a production team. But वो सब वक्त के साथ आता है.
अच्छा मगर
And
वैसे तो you start off with your phone and
phone, yeah, और हर बंदे के
especially
हाथ,
when you're traveling.
especially when I'm traveling, और कभी कभार if it's a hot button issue and I just want to speak, I just open my phone and I just start speaking and I speak whatever I want to speak. Just put it up and then let the universe do its thing after that.
And sometimes it's very negative.
Oh my God, the universe, yeah.
Thanks, Bilal. It's been great.
Likewise,
I think we could do several other episodes of this.
Absolutely.
But I can see the team is getting a little nervous that we might run out of space. So thanks again.
Thank you for having me.
And let's get together again.
Done.
And if you explore any new destination, let me know.
Definitely.
But if you want to go to Southeast Asia, perhaps I can help you.
Done.
It's my sort of area.
We need to catch up on Kenya.
We need to catch up on Kenya. Okay. And that was Bilal Hassan, Mr. Paki. And it was such a great, I mean, it was just like a friendly conversation. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something that you can learn from it. Understand people are different. And that's what we want to do with this podcast because there are 101 podcasts these days. We just want to talk to people who've been there, done something unique, whom you can learn from and whom we can learn from. This is Jahara signing off from Catalyzing Conversations.